This is an accelerator pedal sensor. In the past, we had a slight problem and we solved it by implementing a more modern camera system like this one. Now the rejection rate decreased drastically. So solving problems, being solution-oriented is my motto.
I was born, grew up and studied here in Timisoara. I am married, my husband also works within FORVIA HELA. I graduated from Polytechnic University in Timisoara, obtaining a master's degree in communication networks and mathematics. Now at 35, I am a specialist in electronics and telecommunications. I have made my entire career within the group. In 2011, I joined HELA alongside my studies. I entered the HELA as an automated optical inspection engineer. I was in charge with verifying the printed circuit boards already assembled. I held several positions and evolved within the automated optical inspection department. In 2016, I ended up in this position, head of manufacturing engineer, where I took over the responsibility of the projects over their complete lifetime. I have a team of 9 manufacturing engineers who are responsible for production lines and projects. My job is supporting and organizing them. Here in Timisoara, we are specialized in electronics. We are producing the assembled printed circuit boards and also the final product. In my area of responsibility, we are producing accelerator pedal sensors, vehicle level sensors, actuators, pumps for braking system of the car, battery management systems. We are also producing board computers. We really are at the forefront of sensors.
This is the vehicle level sensor parts which are controlling the headlamps on the car. This is the production line, which is a completely automated one. This line produces over 40 different variants, and the customer is one of the most important car manufacturers on the market.
In the morning when I arrive in the office, I usually check my emails and my agenda for the day. My life is organized in meetings, but I love it this way because via meetings, we as a team have the opportunity to find solutions. I work daily with process engineers, quality engineers, production, logistics. We as a team are always managing different kind of situations, different kind of problems in order to ensure the customer's total satisfaction. All these interactions with other departments give you the opportunity to grow in order to reach your highest potential. In order to perform this job, you have to be very flexible, to understand the colleagues within your team and not only. Also, you have to be very agile. You have to be able to adapt the plan when facing new problems. You have to like managing unforeseen events, also be open-minded and creative. Of course, for this position, you also have to be demanding, simply because our customers are very demanding. We have as customers almost all car manufacturers in the market. They are very diverse, beginning with the most modest ones, but also having the most prestigious ones. Here at HELA FORVIA, in order to anticipate our customer needs and demands, we are making a lot of research. Among my responsibilities is also implementing new production equipment.
So here we are in the operation service department. Here we are building the sensors of the future. Right now we have in prototype production a limited edition sensor. We are testing an assembled printed circuit board, an electrical test, and the result is passed.
I like challenges, I like actions, and here these are part of my day-to-day job. I like to interact with people and the satisfaction when a task is completed. At the end of the day, when all the boxes are ticketed and everything is completed successfully, I feel good.